Hello and welcome to a very impromptu and unexpected retrograde vlog today here with one of my dream cars. Unfortunately, we're filming on the iPhone today because this is completely dead. For some reason, I thought I'd charge it. But we have one of my dream cars, the Audi RS2. This is a car that was developed with Porsche in the early 90s. It was the first ever time that Audi used the RS nameplate, and they were a very, very special car in their time. With this one here being probably one of the rarest ones because it's a right-hand drive. There's only ever 183 right-hand drive made. There's probably about 100 of those left, and there was 2,700 left-hand drive models made. I've always been a massive fan of the Audi RS2. I have an Audi A2 Avant. The plan was always to work up to something like this, and who knows, maybe one day we'll still get there. My favorite piece is just the heck blender here on the back. You get the Audi RS Porsche badges as well as you go around the car. These Porsche Cup wheels, because this car is actually 5x130 rather than 5x112 like most of the Audis of that time. Around the front then we have Porsche brakes, again those Porsche Cup wheels. Under the bonnet we have a 5-cylinder turbo 20 valve engine, very similar engine to what would be inside in my S6 for example, with some variations. We have a different intake manifold, we have a different turbo setup and a different exhaust manifold, as well as different cams as well in here. Interior wise, we have a gorgeous Recaro Alcantara blue center and leather exterior seats, and similar to my Coupe Quattro, we have a diff lock button. I'm always a massive fan of Audi interiors of this era because similar to my S6 as well, we have this, well, this carbon trim with a blue weave in it as well, and these clocks down the middle for voltage, oil pressure and oil temperature, and white clocks here on the dash. And yes, I absolutely love these, and one day I will have one as hopefully as a channel car. It's a shame we didn't get more of a chance to film this car because it's actually leaving Ireland tomorrow. But this week we are actually here with my lovely little Polestar 2 BST 270. So big thank you to Polestar for giving us that for the week as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button, share, subscribe, and just share it with at least one person who you feel would enjoy this video. And as always, we will talk to you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.